We're going to take a quick look at how to get up and running with the Massive Meter plugin and the Massive Meter Bridge application. So I'm starting with a clean install of the post-production metering suite, and we've got Pro Tools launched, and we're going to create a session and get going from there. So let's call this session Quick Start. We'll create a few tracks, so we'll do one mono, one stereo, and one 5-1. Let's stick a little bit of audio on there so we can watch the meters. So I'm just signal generating some audio here. There we go. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to instantiate the Massive Meter plugin across all three tracks. So the Massive Meter plugin is either under the Soundfield folder at the bottom there, or under the EADG for Evergreen Audio Design Group. So we're going to stick one right on the mono, and I'm going to just copy these over to the other tracks. So now that we have our meters all opened here, let's just rearrange them a little bit in the order that they were instantiated in. So we've got meters set up. We can see metering. One thing I'll point out here is under the settings, if you click the gear, there's a system name, and so this system name is saved with the plugin's kind of system level preferences. It defaults to Massive Meter. You can name it whatever you want. So now let's launch the Massive Meter Bridge. So down in my dock, I've got my Massive Meter Bridge icon here. So we'll launch that, and it comes up with what's called a configuration document, and there it automatically shows the add and remove systems, and it's detected the Massive Meter. And so this is the system name that was set in the plugin. So we'll just click that, and it connects and shows our three tracks. So I'm going to just resize this a little bit. Once we start playback in Pro Tools, you'll see the meters light up in both the application and on plugins. That's pretty much how you get set up to run the Massive Meter Bridge and the Massive Meter AX plugin.